Hey guys, this is my first video. Officially YouTuber, Gold Legends, what's good? All the games I'm gonna play is in this folder. Instagram. TJ Blaine, gonna change it. And then, yeah, just name's Gold Legends. But you can go with Golds. I might be like, hey, what's up guys? It's CJ, but sometimes I forget. But that's the Instagram and Facebook. Oh my god. But yeah. These are all the pictures. But all my stuff I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, just just keep nagging. But yeah, most of my games right here. Don't wait to die too. Just don't wait to die. But yeah, and I'm gonna tweet what levels y'all want me to play. So like, just levels like Camp Catastrophe. Yeah, but I'm probably gonna put a link in the description. Or probably not, because I don't know. But yeah, these are most of the games I'm gonna be playing. I'm probably put them up on Instagram. Put the survey up on Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna just put. But yeah, I'm gonna just game. I'm a new YouTuber. Yeah. But yeah, I just love all you guys watching. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. I'm gonna post my first video tomorrow. Probably. All the games will be playing. I got Twitch too, but officially a YouTuber. Watch, like, subscribe, and comment.